Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the stand rating and the camera weight so the system won't sag. Pick a plate rated above your camera. Once done, align the plate's hole with the camera's tripod thread and screw it in until the plate sits flush. Make sure the plate's safety latch is open before you slot the camera. Slide the camera onto the head's receiver. You should feel a positive click. Finally, check that the plate engages fully and doesn't shift side to side. Now secure the head by engaging the plate latch and closing the safety catch so the camera can't slip. You'll want to set the counterbalance roughly to the camera's weight so the tilt holds without fighting you. Adjust incrementally and test by tilting. Once balanced, set friction or tension on pan and tilt to suit your movement style, then lock the pan/tilt partially. Make sure cables are fastened to the stand to prevent pulling. Neat routing prevents. Finish by leveling the camera and framing your shot. Small nods at this stage save time later. Tighten the mounting plate latch and all head knobs so nothing slips during movement, and confirm the tripod legs are spread and locked at an appropriate angle for load and terrain. Perform a short test recording while gently nudging the stand to verify stability. If you notice any drift or wobble, address it immediately. See the tip. Loosen, receipt, and red-iron fasteners, or replace a worn plate screw to eliminate play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.